Your entry door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, improves energy efficiency, and adds curb appeal. In Gilbert's desert climate, however, entry doors often face unique challenges. Intense heat, dust, and temperature swings can cause wear faster than many homeowners expect. If your front door isn't working the way it should, you're not alone. Below are the most common entry door problems Gilbert homeowners face, and practical ways to fix them. Doors that stick or won't close properly. One of the most frequent complaints is a door that sticks, drags, or refuses to latch. In Gilbert, extreme heat can cause doors, especially wood ones, to expand or warp over time. Shifting foundations and normal home settling can also throw the door frame out of alignment. How to fix it? For minor issues, tightening or adjusting the hinges may solve the problem. Sometimes sanding a swollen edge helps, but this is often a short-term fix. If warping is severe or the frame is misaligned, professional door realignment or replacement may be the most reliable long-term solution. Drafts and air leaks around the door. If you feel hot air sneaking in around your entry door, your energy bills may be paying the price. Worn weather stripping, gaps in the frame, or an aging door can allow outside air to enter, forcing your AC to work harder in Gilbert's heat. How to fix it? Replacing weather stripping is an affordable and effective first step. If drafts persist, the door itself may no longer fit properly or provide adequate insulation. Upgrading to a modern, energy-efficient entry door can significantly improve comfort and reduce cooling costs. Fading, cracking, or peeling finishes. The Arizona sun is tough on entry doors. Paint can fade, finishes can peel, and materials may crack after years of direct UV exposure. This not only affects appearance but can also lead to deeper structural damage. How to fix it? Regular maintenance helps. Repainting or refinishing the door with UV-resistant products can extend its lifespan. If the door surface is severely damaged or deteriorating, replacing it with a fiberglass or steel door designed for high heat environments is often a smarter investment. Loose or failing locks and hardware. Your front door's hardware takes daily abuse. Over time, handles loosen, locks stick, and deadbolts fail to engage properly. In some cases, heat expansion can even affect metal components. How to fix it? Tightening screws or lubricating the lock mechanism may solve minor issues. If the lock still feels unreliable, upgrading to new hardware, or even a smart lock, can restore security and convenience. If the door itself is misaligned, fixing the structure first is essential for lock performance. Moisture damage after monsoon season. While Gilbert is dry most of the year, monsoon storms can bring sudden rain and humidity. Poorly sealed entry doors may absorb moisture, leading to swelling, mold, or rot, especially in wooden doors. How to fix it? Inspect door seals and thresholds regularly, especially after storms. Replacing damaged seals and ensuring proper drainage around the entryway can prevent future issues. If moisture damage is extensive, replacing the door with a moisture-resistant material is often the safest option. Outdated style or reduced curb appeal. Sometimes the problem isn't functional, it's visual. An outdated entry door can make an otherwise beautiful Gilbert home look tired and uninviting. How to fix it? A new entry door is one of the easiest ways to boost curb appeal. Modern designs, decorative glass options, and updated finishes can instantly refresh your home's exterior while improving security and efficiency. When to consider professional help? While small fixes can handle minor issues, recurring problems often signal that your entry door has reached the end of its lifespan. Professional inspection, repair, or replacement ensures your door is properly fitted, sealed, and suited for Gilbert's climate. A strong, well-functioning entry door keeps your home cooler, safer, and more comfortable year-round. Addressing problems early and choosing the right solution can save you time, money, and frustration while enhancing the look and performance of your home.